Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you replace the headlight bulb for your Honda Accord 2007. So this is the Honda Accord 2007. Both light bulbs has went out, so we will replace. So this is the new replacement. This is the old one that coming out from the car. Now at the bottom here you can see which light bulb you should get. So it's 12 volt, 55 watts. So if you need to look up for the right light bulbs, then here it is. You can look for this code or the voltage and the watts, and you can get it. So this is what it looks like. And this is the new one that I've got. Now there are many different brands, so you can go and choose a brand that you like. Okay, before we start, it is absolutely critical that you do not touch the light bulb, the glass area, because once you touch this glass area, the lifelong of the bulb will not last very long. It can last you for a few weeks, and then it will goes damaged and will not work. So create a hot spot on here, and then you see it looks like it will blow. So when changing, always try to hold it at the base or just around here. Do not try to touch anywhere near the glass right here. That will definitely cause damage to the light bulb and will not last very long. Okay, so first open up the car bonnet, and we will try to work on this side first. So if you're looking at down here, there is a cap, so the light bulb sits behind this plastic cover. We need to open up this plastic cover. You can see the whole line up here, so we need to twist it this way. So anti-clockwise, and there it is. Then you can just come out and pull out the cover. So this is just the cover right here, right there. That's the light bulbs. There is a clip we need to pull down to remove the light bulbs. Okay, so now we can pull out the clip right there, as you can see. So remove this clip. So you just need to pull in and then push it out. So pull in and then take it out, as you see. Okay, here what it looks like when it comes out. And that's the clip right there. And we just need to pull out the bulbs. So the light bulbs, just pull it out. And there it is. Now we need to disconnect the light bulb, so just pull out the light bulb. Sometimes it can be sticky, so you just need to wiggle back and forth. And with the new light bulbs, just pull in the cables, reconnect the new light bulbs. Make sure that you don't hold into the glass, creating a hot spot. Once you create a hot spot, it will blow shortly after use. And now we can push the light bulb back into the hole, and we will secure the light bulb with the clip going back into the place. So use your hand and push it inwards, and then move to the side to lock it in. And this is what it looks like. Finally, just close the light bulbs with a plastic cover, and make sure that you twist it around so that holes line up. And that's it. That's all you should do. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.